Page 12, Hoe Down. Again, we're just using the notes that we have been learning here in the right hand, just kind of mixing them up a little more. I trust you know the names of the notes in the music now instantly. If you don't, keep doing that play and say it drill. Just play the note and say the name of it so you can hear it. It's like here in Hoe Down. It's F, G, F, G, A, C, C, A, G, F, A. Just play and say it at your speed. You know, I go a little fast because I've been doing it forever, but take it at your speed. Just drill yourself on the names of these notes till they're instant to you. We have a lot more notes to learn, so make sure you got these down well now. Now for Hoe Down, let's look it over. It's 2 lines long, bass clef, 4/4 time signature, IC, quarter notes, and half notes. Okay. They're starting out 5th finger here, and that's the only finger number you need. I don't know why they keep giving you these other finger numbers. You don't need them. Don't use them. You're right there. You just use whatever finger's on that key. So it's here. And transfer weight now. So here I'm just transferring weight. I'm exaggerating the motion so you can see it better. But the idea is very little motion. But you are transferring weight, and that's from finger to finger. Yeah. Then once you can play this okay, with no hesitations. So you get the notes okay, and then get rid of the hesitations. I think I would like to go ahead and add another interpretation idea. I've already told you about natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I want to teach you another idea about interpretation. And the book will explain it eventually. Most books do get to it, but if they don't usually get to it till much later. And I want to get to it now because I'm impatient. I want to do it now. It has to do with playing musically. In speech and language, we talk in sentences. That's just normal. We talk in sentences, usually a little pause between sentences. You can tell when one sentence starts and another ends. You just feels it. And how you express the sentence or how loud you get or high or low you get in the words, you feel this. Okay, well in music, we play music in musical sentences. Same difference. And you feel these. For me to figure out what the sentence is, I got to play the melody kind of quick because then it kind of comes out. So in Hoe Down, if I do this a little quicker, I play the whole thing kind of quick, I can hear the sentences. And it sounds like every 2 measures is a sentence. So every half note ends a sentence. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift up and put a little silence between the sentences. I'm going to cut the half note just a little bit short so I can lift up. It's like taking a breath. Lift up. Lift up. So just a little lift. Just a quick little lift. Depends on how fast you're going. Because if I go slow, the point is I'm not connecting those notes between the 2nd measure and the half note and the 3rd measure going on. I'm not connecting them. I'm lifting up. There's a little silence between them. So I'm separating the sentences with a little bit of silence. And that's another interpretive thing we put in. We interpret the music. We feel it in sentences. So when I play this, I'm going to do it in sentences also. And the music may or may not tell me where the sentences is. That's another symbol we haven't learned yet. But a lot of times music doesn't indicate where the sentences are. You have to figure out what they are. You feel them. And if you can feel where a sentence is, put it in as such. Play it as such. Now when you can play this okay slowly, then let's check and make sure you have the correct rhythm and notes. So I'll give us 4 counts. And I am going to lift up between the sentences now. I do the interpretation, most of it in the play with me. I don't do all of it, but I'll tell you about that when we get to the part I don't do. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.